In this video, I'm going to teach you how to structure and customize template layouts in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your HubSpot website, and from in there, proceed to click on Content until you can see right here your Design Manager. Click on this and you should be able to see your designs. Now into this part, you just need to actually set the layout using the drag and drop sections. If you don't have it yet, you can proceed to create a file or visit the theme marketplace. So let's head over and visit the theme marketplace and then install a file and layout for this case. Now, once you have the actual theme, you can head over and create or open a template. So in here, just proceed to open right here which one you would want. I'll head over and open in here this one. Do take note that this one is read only, but you can also just try to open other options that are not read only for this case. With this, you can add and customize modules according to your liking, and you can edit your site however you want. With this, you can change the layout of the template by changing and adding in here some more elements, clicking on this plus icon and adding some more modules for your themes, text, commerce, and other modules available. So that's all there is today. And if you have any questions, comment them down in the comment section below. If you have if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.